Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be baking banana walnut bread. Here are all of my ingredients: milk, walnut, flour, eggs, cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, vanilla essence, salt, sugar, banana, and butter. The first thing I will do is cream the butter and the sugar. Now I'll start to add the eggs, but I will add one at a time. Now I'll blend the bananas until they're smooth. Gonna add the vanilla essence. Now I'll add the milk. Now to the flour, I'll add the nutmeg, cinnamon, and baking powder. Give that a mix. Now I'll add the salt. Now I'll add the dry mixture to the wet and just fold it in. My batter is finished mixing. Now I'm going to chop the walnuts. Now I have my greased pan, which I've lined with parchment paper. And this banana bread, when I make it, in one day it's finished. It's so good. With a hot cup of tea or coffee. Now I'm gonna chop some walnuts to put at the top. Now I will add the walnut to the top. Now I'll cover the banana bread with foil paper because I don't want the nuts to burn. And we will pop them in the oven now. I have my oven preheated at 300 degrees. And we're gonna put them in the middle. It's been 40 minutes now for the banana bread. I'm going to remove the foil wrap. And I'll put them back in the oven to bake. And the banana bread is finished. The bread cooled down. Now we're gonna remove it from the pan. And that's my banana bread. Now we'll remove the second banana bread. Here's my banana and walnut bread. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.